All right, guys. Question number 26. An amusement park had 56,734 the first year, and the second year was 48,113 visitors for second year. What was the total number of visitors for both years? And guess what? Guess who's going to take this problem? Miss Blanquez. Miss Blanquez, I have to leave.
All right, let's look at the question. An amusement park had 56,734 visitors the first year and 48,913 visitors the second year it was open. What was the total number of visitors for both years? So here, if they're asking for the total, that means we're adding. So here, once we add, we have 7, 4, 7 plus 9, that's 16. We're going to carry this over, 7 and 8, that's 15, and here we have our answer.
Ready? All right, we're recording live right now from our room 306 from Fairway Elementary. I'm still working on these problems. I'm taking a break.
For question 27, the problem is Micah and Shelly were playing a video game. Michael scored 65,423 points. Shelly scored 46,987 points. How many more points did Michael score than Shelly? As you can see, I already have information on the board. Whenever we see this type of question, how many more points, we're looking for a difference. So with that said, the greater number always goes on top. Actually, let me work around the bottom. So here, we always start with the ones place, but here, however, the 7 is greater than 3, so we do have to regroup. So 13, and this turns into 1. So 13 minus 7, that's 6. And here we have the same predicament again. So this is going to turn into 11, this is going to turn into 3. I'm going to have to do it for all of them. So 11 minus 8 is 3, and we're doing it again because 9 is greater than 9. I really will have to. So 13 minus 9 is 5. No, 4. My brain is not working right now. So here we have 5. This turns to 14. 14 minus 6, that's 8. And here we have 1, and we have our answer.
Hey, Blanco, how can we check to see if the answer is correct or not?
Very good question, Gobea. We can always add these two, and it has to equal this here. So, but before I do that, I need space.
Right there. There you go, right on the bottom.
So here, we're just gonna add it to make sure we have the correct answer. So 3. All right.
13 plus 1, 14. You carried a 1 over in the 100 places.
Yeah, no. 13. All right, and as we could see, we got the same answer here and here.
So the answer checks out. Awesome.
All right, 28. The lunchroom at Diane's school has a perimeter of 200 feet. The length of the room is 45 feet. What is the width of the room? I'm going to start with the formula for perimeter, which is length plus width plus length plus width. We already know the length because it was given to us. So we already know it's 45 plus W plus 45 plus W. All right, and here I'm also going to draw it. All right, the length, that's the width. So here it's 45, 45, and all of the perimeter equals 200. What we're going to do is add these two numbers so we know what the width is. Once we do that, I'm going to erase this part here. Once we do that, we're gonna have 45 plus 45, that's 90. So this is 200 minus 90, that's gonna equal width plus width. All right, so here, 0, that's gonna be a 1, that's gonna be a 10, so it's gonna be 110. And this are the two widths together. In order to know what each width is, I have to divide this by 2. So once we know what 110 divided by 2 is, we know what our width is. Mr. Gilbert, a little help right there?
55.
All right, so here, 55. And we have our answer.
Hold on.
No? 29 right now. Patel made a rectangular garden in his family's backyard. What is the perimeter of the garden?
Ready?
Yeah, no, it's on already. All right. So they have this on the for the question. So we're looking for the perimeter, which is we're adding all the length and the width. So we already know the length and the width. So all we're doing is adding 34 plus 24 plus 34 plus 24. And once we add all of this, 4, 4, 4, 4, that's 6 right there. That's 5, 10, 11.
The answer is 8.
The answer is A. Number 30. Patrick drew this plan for a new walkway through his backyard. How many square feet of bricks will Patrick need to cover the walkway? This is the picture that's in your book. We're going to start by doing this because we have to find the total area, but we're going to do it by part. So we're going to call this part A, we're going to call this part B. So for part A, we have 2 feet by 7 feet. And this is 7 square feet. Then for part B, we have 3 feet by 14 feet. So 42 square feet. But we're not done yet because, like I said, we're doing it by parts. So now we're adding 14 plus 42, which is 6 and 5, 56 square feet. We found an oopsie. Now, for your answer choices for letter D, it says 36. Mr. Gavetta actually meant 56. So 36, when you see it, you're going to cross it out and you're going to put 56.